Children, have you complete the first three sums of exercise 1.1? Now let us do the fourth sum. Okay, the fourth sum is if a equal to 5 comma 6, b equal to 4 5 6, c equal to 5 6 7, show that a cross a equal to b cross b intersection c cross c. So for this problem, we have to find out A cross A, B cross B and C cross C. A cross A is the left hand side. You take the intersection of these two sets. The coordinates also equal to A cross A. We have to show like this. Okay. So given the three sets are given, then A cross A means the A set is 5 comma 6. Write 2 times. That is A cross A. So the set of ordered pairs you get like this: 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. This is left hand side of this equation. So it is equation number 1. Then for the right hand side you find out B cross B first. So you write the set B 2 times. So find out the ordered pairs: 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. And also another one bracket is there, C cross C. So that you write next. C set is 5 6 7. Write 2 times and find out the coordinates: 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7. Then 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6 and 7 comma 7. When you are taking intersection of these two sets, you get intersection means common element. Which are the common elements here? 5 comma 5. Here also having 5 comma 5. Then 5 comma 6. Then 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6 are the common elements. So that is equation number 2. When you are considering this equation 1 and 2, both contain the same elements. Therefore, this left hand side and right hand side are equal. Hence it is verified. Okay. Then the next sum, question number 5. Here also 4 sets are given. See this: A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 2 3 5, C equal to 3 4 and D equal to 1 3 5. We have to check this are equal. Here also 4 brackets are there, no? So you have to find out the brackets first. A intersection C, B intersection D. Here A cross B, C cross D. When you are after this, you have to take cross product of these two sets. Here you have to take intersection of these two sets. You have to show that. You have to check whether it is equal or not. Okay. Then for this first, that given 4 sets are given. Then for the left hand side, you have to find out A intersection C. A intersection C means consider these two sets A and C, which is common. The only element 3 is common. So you get singleton set 3. Then you have to find out B intersection D. B intersection D is, you have to consider these two sets. Which are the common elements? The element 3 and 5. 3 and 5. It is common. Okay. Then you have to take the cross product of these two sets. A intersection C cross B intersection D. So A intersection C is 3. B intersection D is 3 comma 5. When you are taking cross product, the set of ordered pairs. So 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Only one element is here. So you get 2 ordered pairs. 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. That is equation number 1. Then for the right hand side, you have to find out A cross B first. A cross B, the set A and B. So you get 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 5. Like that 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 5. Then 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. So A cross B you get like this. Then C cross D, the two sets are here. So 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, like that 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. So we can find this A cross B and C cross D like this. Then you have to take intersection of these two sets. Intersection means the common element. The common elements of these two sets is 3 comma 3. Here it is having 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. Here it is having 3 comma 5. No other common elements are there, isn't it? So this is equation number 2. When you compare this equation 1 and 2, they are equal. So it is 2. We can check this answer. Okay. Then the next question, the 6th question, you have to take it as homework. It is very simple question. So children, you do it in your maths note. And the 7th question also, the first subdivision is very simple. So that also you have to write it as a homework. 7th question, the set is given in wordings, isn't it? Set builder form. Here it is the set of all natural numbers less than 8. So you have to change the sets in roster form first. So for the second sum, first sum you take it as homework. Here B minus C, left hand side B minus C. Given, we can take and write the set A equal to all natural numbers less than 8. All natural numbers less than 8 means natural number starting from 1. So less than 8 means you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, isn't it? Then B set means all prime numbers less than 8. Prime numbers less than 8 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then C, even prime numbers. Even prime numbers means the only even prime number is 2. All other even numbers are divisible by 2, isn't it? So the only even prime number is 2. So the set A contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B contain 2, 3, 5, 7. C contain only 2. We have to prove this B minus C. Left hand side is A cross B minus C. So B minus C means you should write first the B set, then minus C set. How to find out the set difference? The set of all elements in the first set but not in the second. So it is easy for you. We have to cancel the element. 2 is in the second set. So we can cancel this 2 and write the other 3 elements. That is the answer for B minus C. Then find out A cross B minus C. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross B minus C is 3, 5, 7. When you are taking cross product, all ordered pairs where the first element belongs to this first set and the second element belongs to the second set. So such a long set you get. That is equation number 1. That is 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, etc. Like this 7, 3, 7, 5 and 7, 7. That is equation number 1. Then for the right hand side, A cross B and A cross C you have to find out. Then you have to find out the difference. Let's find the A cross B. So A cross B set, you have to write the A set and B set. When you are taking the cross product of these two sets, the first coordinate belongs to A and second coordinate belongs to B. So such a long set like this 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, etc. Like 2, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. One big set you get like this, isn't it? Then A minus C. A set, then C set is only one element 2. So the ordered pair 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2 like this. You get like this. Then you take the difference of these two sets. How to take the difference of two sets? A cross B minus A cross C. So how to take the elements of the first set? You consider this set. Elements of this first set but not belongs to the second. Here it is 1 comma 2 having. We can cancel here like this. 1 comma 2. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 we can cancel. Then 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 we can cancel. 4 comma 2 we can cancel like this. 5 comma 2, 5 comma 2 we can cancel like this. 6 comma 2 we can cancel like this. 7 comma 2, 7 comma 2 we can cancel. The remaining elements you have to write in this sets. That is, the set of all elements belongs to A cross B but not in A cross C. When you are comparing this equation 1 and 2, they are equal. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side, hence it is verified. Okay children, this exercise problems over. You have to do the problem number 6 and the 7th question, Roman letter 1 is also homework. You complete it in your note. Okay children, thank you.